pick up. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. It's funny because every time I do this, I find all the guns I want. It's like, oh, great gun. Alright. I got 133 rounds of ammo. Really? Alright, I'm heading that way. It's fast.
Teammate down.
I didn't want to say anything. He punched your butthole. I'm on the way. Am I heading in your direction? Oh, I see. Alright, I'm heading your way. I see. Does he get you? I hear a pitter patter. Oh yeah, I got somebody on me. Oh, I got him! Little turd. Oh, don't shoot me. Really? You call me motherfucker? Oh, you called me motherfucker. Call me motherfucker one more time. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I gotta go. Yeah. Alright, so there's two pissed off people over here. I shot their buddy. They're really angry about it. You guys good to go? Fuck them. I'm going back.
Teammate down.
Ah, dang it. I got killed. There's a woman over here. She's mad about something. I don't know what it is. She may be right here. Okay. Thanks, sir. I appreciate it. I feel like she's pissed on me. Okay. Oh, I hear pitter patter. Damn it. I know, right? It's tempting. Crap! I need health. Well, I got 357 and 25 rounds. I need so bad, but screw it. I'm in. Do this. I'm gonna sneak over here. Oh, look at that. Good, I need to shield that. Ooh, wait, whoa. Calm down, sir. I shit my pants. I have no shield at all. I need shield bad. They do a lot of damage. I need shield or I'm gonna die. So, I bet. Oh, here's some. Yeah, A little bit. Right. I'm not gonna lie, I could handle it with a pistol. Fuck you guys at? Oh, I see. Shit. About to die again. God damn it. Chase me, turd. Call me motherfucker. One more time. Alright, that's to die. If I can get to this little shield deal.
Teammate down.
Oh, I got it too, you shithead. No, yeah. I picked up the shield and she shot me at the same time. That woman's got an attitude. Alright, ghosting her. Trying. We've got one left. One left. She's the last one.
Teammate down.
Oh, nice job. Nice job. Not the nipples. You ain't with the nipples. Oh, Jesus Christ. Nice fucking job.